Imagine getting so close to something that not even light can escape it. Welcome to the world of black holes. What if I told you that there's a region in space so powerful, so mysterious, that once you get too close, there's no turning back? A place where time slows down and space itself bends in unimaginable ways. Today, we're diving into the unknown, exploring how black holes are born, what happens if you get near one, and the man who first discovered this cosmic abyss. Stay with me, because this is where things get really intense. A black hole isn't just some void in space, it's a place where the laws of physics are pushed to their absolute limits. But how does such a thing come into existence? It all starts with a star, one much bigger than our sun. When a massive star runs out of fuel, it begins to collapse under its own gravity. This collapse triggers a supernova explosion, and what's left behind is something so dense and powerful that not even light can escape it. A black hole is born. This concept was first theorized by Karl Schwarzschild, a German physicist, who, in 1916, solved Einstein's equations of general relativity and gave birth to the idea of the event horizon. Karl Schwarzschild was the man who mathematically predicted the existence of black holes. While serving in World War I, he found time to study Einstein's general theory of relativity and discovered the solution that would define the event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing can escape. But how exactly does a star die and transform into a black hole? After the star's core collapses, its gravity becomes so intense that it warps space and time, trapping everything inside. The closer you get to this collapsed core, the stronger the gravity becomes. Once you cross the event horizon, even light gets pulled in. It's game over. Not all black holes are the same. There are three main types: stellar mass, supermassive, and primordial black holes. Stellar mass black holes form when massive stars die and collapse. These are relatively small but incredibly dense. Then, we have supermassive black holes, like the one at the center of our galaxy, Sagittarius A. These giants contain millions or even billions of times the mass of the Sun. Primordial black holes, on the other hand, are still theoretical. They could have formed just after the Big Bang, and though tiny, they pack an extreme gravitational punch. Each type is a mind-bending enigma on its own. So, what happens if you dare approach a black hole? First, you'd notice strange things. Light around you would begin to bend, and the stars behind the black hole would appear distorted. The closer you get, the slower time would pass for you, at least from the perspective of an outside observer. But for you, it would feel like time is moving normally. This phenomenon, called gravitational time dilation, is just the beginning. As you edge closer to the event horizon, the point of no return, the effects of the black hole's gravity would start to feel more intense. The closer you get to a black hole, the stronger the gravitational pull becomes. But it doesn't pull everything equally. It pulls harder on your feet than on your head. This difference in gravity stretches you out in what scientists call spaghettification. Yes, you heard it right. You would be stretched into a long, thin shape, like a piece of spaghetti. As terrifying as it sounds, this is what happens when you get too close to the event horizon. Your body would be pulled apart atom by atom, and eventually you'd cross into the black hole, vanishing from the observable universe. What happens inside a black hole remains one of the greatest mysteries in science. At the center lies the singularity, a point where the density becomes infinite and the laws of physics, as we know them, break down. Some scientists theorize that black holes might be gateways to other dimensions, or even wormholes connecting distant parts of the universe. Once you cross the event horizon, there's no way to know for sure what happens next. Does time stop? Do you get transported to another universe? This is the ultimate cosmic mystery, one that we may never be able to solve. Even from afar, black holes have a profound effect on the universe. One of the most fascinating phenomena is gravitational lensing. The black hole's immense gravity bends the light around it, creating a lensing effect that distorts and magnifies distant stars and galaxies. This creates some of the most breathtaking images in the universe, entire galaxies that appear duplicated, stretched, or warped. This effect allows astronomers to study the universe in ways that would otherwise be impossible. It's like peering into a cosmic funhouse mirror, where the very fabric of space is twisted and curved. Could black holes be connected to wormholes, theoretical tunnels that link two points in space and time? Some scientists believe that if wormholes exist, they might be found within black holes. These wormholes could theoretically allow faster than light travel, or even take you to a completely different universe. But before you pack your bags for an interstellar trip, there's a catch. These wormholes might be extremely unstable, collapsing almost as soon as they form. Still, the idea of black holes as cosmic shortcuts fuels the imagination and keeps scientists dreaming of the possibilities. Carl Schwarzschild's contributions to our understanding of black holes cannot be overstated. His work laid the foundation for everything we know about these cosmic giants. Since his discovery, black holes have gone from theoretical curiosities to one of the most studied and fascinating objects in astrophysics. Without Schwarzschild's groundbreaking work, we wouldn't understand the event horizon, the singularity, or the ways in which black holes shape the universe around them. His calculations, done more than a century ago, still guide astronomers and physicists today as they explore the deepest mysteries of the cosmos. Black holes are the ultimate cosmic enigma. They challenge everything we know about physics, space, and time. From their violent birth in the death of a star to the mind-bending singularity at their core, black holes captivate our imaginations and stretch the limits of scientific understanding. Whether they are gateways to other universes or the remains of dead stars, one thing is certain: black holes are among the most powerful and mysterious forces in the universe. If you're as fascinated as I am by the mysteries of space, hit the subscribe button because there's so much more to explore. Black holes are just the beginning of our cosmic journey. What other mysteries of the universe are waiting to be uncovered? If you're ready to explore more, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment about what fascinates you most about black holes. What do you think lies inside them? Another universe? A wormhole? Or something even stranger? Join the discussion, and let's keep unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos together.